Hey there, sixth graders. Let's get to work. So check out these expressions we're starting off with. Remember, an expression is the same thing as an equation. It just does not have an equal sign. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see how many 4s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 4s. So what's the easier way we could write this problem? 4 times 10. And we know that that equals 40. Now what I want to point out, and this is going to be really important in this lesson, 4 times 10, not the same thing as 4 to the 10th power. Not the same thing at all. Be careful you're not getting those confused. Because if you look here, this is 4 plus 10, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 to the 10th power is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So you'd get very different answers. So 4 times 4 and 4 to the power of 10, not the same thing at all. All right, let's check out the next one. Let's see, I've got 5 9s, which would be easier to write as 9 times 5, which I hope you're saying in your head is 45. And then the last one, we have 10 times 5, which is 50. So now we're looking at exponential form. So please notice that in between all these 5s, it's not a plus sign anymore. Now we're multiplying. So writing these in exponential form, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s, so this is 5 to the 5th power. Then here, 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 2 to the 4th power, because there's 4 2s. So now we're going to expand them out. So we have 8 to the 3rd power. We know that that would be 8 times 8 times 8. And then down here, 10 to the 6th is going to be 10 times 10 times 10. How many 10s are we going to have? We're going to have 6 of them. Times 10 times 10 times 10. All right. And then this last one, g to the 3rd. Well, we've got g times g times g. All right, on your own, go back to examples 1 through 4 and use a calculator to come up with an answer for each of those. And then right here, I want you to write out to explain to me what's the difference between 3g and g to the 3rd. I'm going to be looking for your explanation right here when I look at your homework tomorrow. Make sure you have a good explanation in complete sentences, please. Go ahead and use a calculator and work with a partner or a small group to solve these 3. So go ahead and pause me while you're working on that. Did you pause me? Good. All right, I want us to look at this one. Since the base number of an exponent can also be a fraction. So let's look at number 8. Here the base number is 75 hundredths, or as we like to call it in fraction land, 3/4. So this is 3/4 times 3/4 times 3/4, or 3/4 to the power of 3. So 3/4 is the base number here. So let's solve this. Check it out. So I'm going to start with just the first, 3/4 times 3/4. And I know for fractions that multiplying them is easy because I just multiply across. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 3/4 times 3/4. Now I'm going to do it again. Times another 3/4. And then just multiply across because that's how it works with multiplying fractions. 9 times 3 is 27. 16 times 4 is 64. So I have 27/64. Can I reduce that? I don't think so. I think we're just going to deal with that awkward fraction. So our answer is 27/64. So first we're going to write this one in exponential form, and then we're going to evaluate. So in exponential form, this is 1/2 to the power of 3. And then to evaluate, we're going to start with the first one, 1/2 times 1/2. Well, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. And then we need to do it again. Multiply it by 1/2. times 2, 8. So 1/2 to the power of 3, 1, 8. All right. This one, go ahead and solve on your own, and then check with a partner. Once again, I will be paying extra careful attention to problem 10 when I check this homework tomorrow. If you need any help, please raise your hand. So if I see this blank or I see it incorrect, that tells me you didn't ask for help to understand. So make sure that you are being accountable for your own learning. All right, guys, after this, you're going to work on the exercises and the problem set will be homework. Having this whole stinking thing finished for me tomorrow will be my expectation. Good luck.